Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming basics and immediately initiating a soft reset to clear HDR negotiation errors. First, make sure your Roku is running the latest system update. Once done, power cycle the TV and source by unplugging for 30 seconds. Next, confirm the HDMI cable is a 2.0 or 2.1 rated cable plugged into the TV's 4K HDR labeled port, so bandwidth isn't the limit. Doing these steps forces fresh HDMI handshakes and often restores HDR capability without deeper changes. Once the hardware is ready, you tune the video chain. On the Roku, open display type and explicitly select a 4K HDR mode that matches your TV. This forces the output you need. Then disable HDMI CC and any energy-saving picture features that can reduce brightness or confuse HDR metadata. Make sure the connected source device is sending HDR10 or Dolby Vision if your TV supports it. Otherwise, switch the source's output to a compatible HDR format. These steps align settings across devices, so to finish, verify HDR with a trusted test clip or an app that clearly labels HDR playback. You should see improved contrast and color depth. If HDR still refuses to engage, factory reset the Roku and reconfigure only the essential display settings to eliminate corrupt configs. One key troubleshooting tip: swap HDMI ports or the cable. Faulty ports and cables are a frequent cause. Trying another HDR-capable port often isolates the issue quickly. If that works, secure a replacement cable or use the working port.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.